Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy, but don't judge me, judge your mama. We are going to make, I'm going to make a throw-on wig. Yes, I have saran wrap. Yes, I ran out of shower caps. So guess what? This is the next best thing. So the glue don't touch my hair. And we gonna get started. I got my little dandy wig cap. It's not really a wig cap. I want to say this is the spandex cap. Not sure what the correct name is, but we are going to use this. Since we're just going to jump right into this is just some leftover hair from an old install that I never used, but it's going to get used today. The shorter pieces on the bottom are from a 27 piece, and the longer pieces at the top is some yaki hair. And I know that it's yaki because of the texture, and yaki hair resembles kinky hair and gives you that fresh blow dry look. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So now that we established the type of hair, you will see me begin to struggle. The wig cap kept sliding back, and you will keep seeing me pulling it forward. But after a while, I got tired and I ended up adding some bobby pins to hold it in place. But I still wouldn't change my tactics because there was no glue exposed to my hair at all. Now that we're at the end, and to close this, you'll just need a small weft. You're going to apply your glue and wrap the weft around each other until you completed your circle. Then after that, you'll just blow dry. And once it's dry, you'll just open up the actual piece of hair as if you're fanning it out. And just flat iron it down, because you'll need that heat to mold it in place to create that flat closure that needs to go on the top of the head. Listen, folks, I have said it once, I've said it twice, and I'm going to say it one more time, and it's written in my bio. I am not a professional. I am winging it, going with the flow. Trust the process. If I was a professional, it would look way better than this. Trust and believe that. But anyway, I'm just going to keep cutting and cutting and cutting until I get the desired look for the time being. But honestly, I didn't see the vision until I decided to put some mousse on it. And then after that, I actually continued to cut off camera because I couldn't see the whole envision. Like, I needed to turn all the way around, and the mirror that I had set up wasn't the correct setup, so I had to set a different one up to get the back. Now look at that. Trust the process. You really won't see me curling the hair too much because I want that bedhead look, but that sexy bedhead. But I'm just going to add a few curls to give that effect, but not too much. I really don't want the curls to be uniform, so you'll see me puffing up the hair a lot. But it came through. I did the thing. I was struggling with that piece that's in the front. You know, that left piece right there that I keep going over and over again. It just wasn't trying to sit the way that it ended up sitting. But I guess I can just keep playing around with it. But at the end, I will start feeling myself, because you can't tell me nothing. I did this thing. So I'm going to show you guys the back, of course. Who doesn't want to see the back of the hair? But you see that cut? Yeah. Now put me in a 90s music video, because that's me. Not Tony, but something slight. But again, thank you for rocking with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one.